Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this workhorse of an AC window unit. I mean, I have installed hundreds of window units for our apartments in the past. This one here is an absolute workhorse and a beast, which I freaking love. This actually comes with a window trim kit, which will actually work for any windows from 23 inches all the way up to a 36-inch width window using this accordion style that mashes on the outside. So you've got a variety of different window sizes that this can work for. They also send you with all of the hardware and all of the trim kit necessary to easily install that onto your window so that you can stay cool using this 8,000 BTU unit. This also has a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of about 10.9, which is great because that's going to help save you some energy whenever you're looking forward to your next air conditioning unit. This would be a great option. It also only weighs a little over 40 pounds, so it's not extremely heavy, and it does come with a great remote that they even include the batteries. Now, this is what you can use to operate this, or you can also use this entire touchpad over here. But I'm going to go ahead and use the remote and kind of show you how this comes on. It's got a nice LED display that easily explains everything that's going on. You've got 3 separate fan levels. You have an auto mode, you have an eco mode, and you've got everything that you need on here to do it from cooling to drying to dehumidification. It's like a 6-in-1 unit. So if you're looking for something that can not only work for the hot summer months, but also be able to work in those kind of shoulder months that like you need some dehumidification over the spring and the fall, that's going to be a great option. You do have, once it's mounted, these manual louvers that can adjust up or down. You got 2 of those that also can swing left to right to kind of direction, point the air. And on the inside here, you actually have your little screen there that is a washable filter. So you're not having to buy a bunch of replacement filters. You can easily pull that out and wash that to kind of keep that efficiency in top form on that. Liking the fact that it does have a sleep mode as well. So again, if you're going to be using this at night, you'll be able to do that. And you can adjust everything from the remote. This would make a great addition for anyone's home, dorm room, or office because it can cool up to 350 square feet, and I highly recommend their product.